Welcome to Select Lifestyle YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Stunning and creative garden decor ideas. Transforming your garden into a serene oasis of beauty and tranquility can be achieved through a myriad of decor ideas that harmonize with nature's aesthetics. Begin by defining spaces within your garden, such as creating a cozy seating area adorned with comfortable outdoor furniture like wicker chairs and a rustic wooden table. Enhance the ambience with soft outdoor lighting, such as string lights draped among tree branches or solar-powered lanterns illuminating pathways. Introduce visual interest and texture by incorporating various planters, from terracotta pots to whimsical ceramic containers, showcasing an array of vibrant flowers, lush foliage, and cascading vines. Consider adding a focal point like a bubbling fountain or a mesmerizing water feature, inviting serenity and attracting birds and butterflies. Create vertical interest by installing trellises adorned with climbing roses or lush ivy, adding depth and dimension to your garden landscape. Embrace the charm of recycled materials by repurposing old wooden crates or pallets into rustic planters or garden benches, infusing your outdoor space with eco-friendly flair. Incorporate decorative elements like wind chimes, colorful garden flags, and intricately designed stepping stones, infusing personality and whimsy into every corner. Finally, don't forget to add comfortable cushions and throw pillows to your seating area, encouraging relaxation and enjoyment of your verdant sanctuary. With these garden decor ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven of beauty, tranquility, and inspiration. To elevate the aesthetic appeal of your garden further, consider integrating elements of art and sculpture amidst the foliage. Sculptures crafted from stone, metal, or even recycled materials can serve as striking focal points, adding a touch of sophistication and cultural intrigue to your outdoor haven. Opt for sculptures that resonate with your personal style, whether it's abstract modern art or classical Greek motifs, and position them strategically to create visual interest and stimulate conversation. Additionally, incorporate architectural elements like arbors, pergolas, or even a quaint gazebo draped in flowering vines, providing shaded retreats and architectural elegance to your garden landscape. Enhance the sensory experience by introducing fragrant herbs like lavender and rosemary, as well as aromatic flowers such as jasmine and lilac, infusing the air with their delightful scents. To add a touch of whimsy and charm, consider installing a bird feeder or bath, attracting feathered friends while adding dynamic movement and vitality to your garden scenery. Embrace the concept of garden rooms by partitioning different areas with trellises, hedges, or ornamental grasses, creating intimate spaces for relaxation, meditation, or alfresco dining. Finally, don't overlook the power of seasonal decor to celebrate holidays and special occasions throughout the year, from festive lighting and decorations for the winter holidays to vibrant floral displays and patriotic flags for summer gatherings. By incorporating these additional garden decor ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a captivating sanctuary that reflects your unique personality and inspires moments of joy and tranquility year-round. Incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly elements into your garden decor not only enhances its natural beauty but also contributes to environmental conservation. Consider implementing a rainwater harvesting system using barrels or cisterns to collect rainwater, which can then be used to hydrate your plants and reduce water waste. Integrate native plants and wildflowers into your garden designed to attract local pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, fostering biodiversity and supporting fragile ecosystems. Embrace permaculture principles by creating a small vegetable garden or herb patch, promoting self-sufficiency and organic gardening practices while adding a practical and edible dimension to your outdoor space. Upcycle old or discarded materials into functional garden decor, such as transforming reclaimed wood into raised beds or salvaging metal scraps to craft unique sculptures and art installations. Implement energy-efficient lighting solutions like LED bulbs powered by solar panels, reducing electricity consumption and minimizing your carbon footprint while illuminating your garden during the evening hours. Furthermore, incorporate natural elements like rocks, stones, and driftwood to add texture and visual interest, seamlessly blending man-made structures with the organic beauty of the surrounding landscape. By embracing sustainability in your garden decor choices, you not only create a harmonious and eco-conscious outdoor retreat but also inspire others to follow suit in caring for the planet. To infuse your garden with even more charm and personality, consider adding a touch of vintage or retro flair to your decor. Hunt for unique treasures at flea markets, antique shops, or thrift stores, and incorporate vintage finds like weathered garden tools, ornate wrought iron furniture, or retro signage into your outdoor space. These timeless pieces add character and nostalgia, evoking a sense of history and whimsy amidst the lush greenery. Enhance the ambience with playful accents such as colorful bunting, whimsical wind spinners, or vintage-inspired birdhouses, injecting a sense of joy and spontaneity into your garden design. Incorporate elements of storytelling by creating themed garden areas inspired by fairy tales, mythology, or literary classics, using decorative elements like enchanted garden gates, mystical sculptures, and whimsical pathways adorned with sparkling fairy lights. Embrace the beauty of imperfection and natural decay by incorporating weathered materials like reclaimed wood, aged stone, and rusty metal, lending a sense of authenticity and rustic charm to your garden landscape. Finally, invite creativity and self-expression by incorporating DIY projects and handmade crafts into your garden decor, from hand-painted plant markers to mosaic stepping stones and homemade bird feeders. By embracing vintage charm and DIY ingenuity, you can transform your garden into a magical retreat filled with timeless beauty and enchanting surprises around every corner. To add a sense of tranquility and Zen-inspired serenity to your garden, consider incorporating elements of Japanese garden design. Create a peaceful retreat with minimalist landscaping, using gravel or sand to mimic the soothing ripples of water and symbolize the flow of a dry riverbed or kaizen. Introduce elements of balance and harmony with carefully placed rocks, representing islands or mountains, and sculptural bonsai trees or carefully pruned shrubs evoking the beauty of nature in miniature form. Enhance the sensory experience with the gentle sound of water trickling from a bamboo fountain or tsukubai basin, inviting contemplation and reflection. Incorporate traditional Japanese lanterns, such as stone or bronze toro, to illuminate pathways and focal points, infusing the garden with a soft, ambient glow during the evening hours. Embrace the concept of wabi-sabi by celebrating the beauty of imperfection and transience, incorporating weathered materials, moss-covered stones, and asymmetrical arrangements that evoke a sense of age and authenticity. Finally, create intimate seating areas with tatami mats, bamboo benches, or woven floor cushions, inviting visitors to pause and immerse themselves in the peaceful atmosphere of your Japanese-inspired garden sanctuary. With these elements, you can transform your outdoor space into a serene oasis that embodies the timeless beauty and tranquility of traditional Japanese gardens. To further enrich the sensory experience in your garden, incorporate elements that engage touch, sound, and taste. Introduce tactile textures with a variety of foliage, such as fuzzy lamb's-ear, velvety moss, or feathery ornamental grasses, inviting visitors to interact with the plants and experience their unique tactile qualities. Enhance the auditory ambience with wind chimes, tuned to create soothing melodies as gentle breezes pass through, adding a musical dimension to your outdoor retreat. Create a sensory herb garden filled with fragrant culinary herbs like basil, mint, and thyme, as well as aromatic plants such as lavender and lemon balm, enticing visitors to touch, smell, and taste the flavors of the garden. Install a bubbling water feature or small pond to add the calming sound of running water, attracting birds and wildlife while providing a focal point for relaxation and meditation.